getting bad. But the good thing is that the masses of the people are the victims of the corruption. The corrupt are the few. The majority are victims. So it is easier to isolate these corrupt people. And we shall definitely do it. The other day I was in Kororo there with the Bayai, the ghetto children, they were all there. If you hear their stories, the NRM can again, because when we were fighting, we mobilized the peasants. Even the urban, the urban people, we mobilized them. 1968, I was in Katwe with the Abawejere, led by Saba Wejere, Abbas Chibazu, and people like Zubair Bakari. So the NRM can mobilize the disadvantaged to fight the parasites. And we are going to do it. We are already doing it. You saw what those young people in Kororo. So therefore, I would want everybody to take part in this fight against corruption, because it is the one which is wasting our time. Those pressures from outside cannot damage our chance of development. It is this corruption which is the problem. In other words, the internal problem is the one which can cause us to miss our targets, not the external. Finally,